This video is about restoring wellness. Now, usually this topic, when it comes to autism, is overwrought with overwhelm. All the diets and supplements and all the things that could possibly go wrong. But it doesn't have to be overwhelming, and I'm here to simplify it for you. I'm Dr. Andrea Libutti. I am a physician and author and mother to 3 boys. My oldest has autism. And I'm here because I want to change what the world believes about autism. I want to change the status quo. I want to change how parents and educators interact with autistic individuals. Why? Because there is an enormous amount of potential and value and meaning in this population that is totally undiscovered, and it doesn't have to be that way. So let's talk about wellness. First, I'm going to talk about the framework in which to think about restoring wellness. And second, I'm going to give you one action item, one very important thing that is, I think, the most important thing you can do for restoring your child's health and your health. So let's begin with the framework and a formula first. Restoring wellness hinges on one concept, and that concept is toxicity. We are all burdened with toxicity. Now, there was a report done by the Environmental Working Group. For those of you that don't know it, it is ewg.org. They did a study called Body Burden, and it had to do with newborn babies. Basically, the American Red Cross went out to random cities and collected the umbilical cord blood of newborn babies. So day one, when they were born, what they discovered was, I think the number was 287 chemicals and things in their blood that should not be there. And over 200 of them were carcinogenic and neurotoxic. So day one, typical kids born in this country, and I suspect it's similar in other countries in the world, a body burden that is crippling really when you start living life on this world and then adding other things on top of it. So toxicity is by far the number one thing that is damaging our wellness. So let's talk about what I call the formula. It's very simple. Decrease toxins in and increase toxins out. Now that may seem overly simplified, but if you can keep those two things in mind, that will guide much of what you do to restore wellness in yourself and your child. So let's talk about decrease toxins in. So that's sort of common sense, right? What food are we eating? Are we eating organic food when we can? Again, I'll defer back to the Environmental Working Group, ewg.org. They have the Dirty Dozen, which is 12 fruits and vegetables that you should always buy organic if you can because they're the most heavily pesticided. Then there's the Clean 15, where you can safely assume that if you buy conventional and non-organic in these 15 fruits and vegetables, they will be the least amount of pesticides, so a little bit safer. So again, ewg.org. And, are you eating whole food? Are you eating, non-processed, non-additive, non-food coloring, all of that stuff? Very, very important. And then there's the products that we use in and on our bodies, especially for kids. Shampoo, toothpaste, sunscreen, that's a big one. Makeup for moms, lotions. That is something that you can also look up on ewg.org. They have a database called the Skin Deep Database. I love it. It's an amazing free resource. You can put in shampoo and you will get a list of the least toxic to the most toxic shampoo based on what's in them, or lotion or toothpaste or sunscreen, any product at all, really. It's a fabulous resource, so I highly recommend that. Then there's the other things like around your home. Are you cleaning with green products? Fabric softener in your laundry is probably one of the most toxic things you can put on your body. So lots of things that you got to think about, but no need to be overwhelmed. Just think about decreasing as much as you can the toxins that are going in. And if you'd like a more detailed description or a reminder, you can go to my website, andrealibutti.com. You can download the 3 strategies or the Start Here strategies for keeping these things in mind. It'll just be a free cheat sheet that you can have that you can put up on your refrigerator. Okay, second part of the formula. Increase the toxins going out. Now that basically means detoxify. And I'll tell you, my detoxifying principles are all based on the work of Anthony William. And Anthony William is a godsend. I found his work when I was looking for answers to my own health and aging issues. And lo and behold, there was a chapter in his book on autism, and it absolutely blew my mind. The things and the insights that he talks about with autism are amazing. So I highly recommend looking into the work of Anthony William. So I'm a holistic-minded physician. I believe that Mother Nature can provide everything that we need to stay well and everything that we need to restore wellness if we've been, struck with an illness or have some issues. And that leads me then to how Mother Nature, 5 ingredients that Mother Nature provides, will be the one action item, the one thing that I want you to do for yourself and your family every day to detoxify using these 5 ingredients. Now, the first ingredient is wild blueberries. Frozen wild blueberries are fine, but the wild part of wild blueberries is most important. Way, way, way more powerful than the cultivated counterparts. So look for wild frozen blueberries. Second thing is Hawaiian spirulina. The third thing is barley grass juice extract. The fourth thing is cilantro, and you can use oil of cilantro. That's some drops that you can put into the smoothie. And the fifth thing is Atlantic dulse. That's a type of seaweed. So when you put all these 5 ingredients in one smoothie, you get this synergistic effect of these ingredients that will pull toxins and heavy metals, including mercury, out of your body, out of your brain, out of your organs, out of your cells. These 5 things work together. So really, really important, really easy to do. You can make it taste really good. Again, go to my website, AndreaLibutti.com. You can download a free superfoods smoothie recipe. It will give you the exact amounts of these different items and things that you can do to jazz it up. So that's basically an overview of restoring wellness. I've simplified it because, let me tell you, over all the years and all of the information I've gathered and all of the things that I've tried, simple is still best and powerful. So I hope you will enjoy this series of videos. There's more on different topics. Please enjoy them. Again, my website is a place for you to find lots of different resources and solutions. You can check out my book, Awakened by Autism. It's available on Amazon. All things that I hope will help ease the journey for you as you discover that autism is not what you thought it was. There's a lot of good that can happen here. I'm glad you're here. Put some comments down below. Let me know what else you want to know about, hear about, talk about. I'm here for you, and I really appreciate that you're here with me. Have a great day.